Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are tackling classic ovenly baked potatoes with turkey, ensuring you get that deep rich flavor every time. Let's get cooking. And our food is ready. Trust me, this food was so delicious and I hope you're gonna try it. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Also leave your comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you all once again for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now, available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.